So then I wondered if I should get both of them. I don't want to come away hungry. I won't. Fried rice, garlic shrimp. Jumbo shrimp with garlic and broccoli. Now that sounds good.
He's jumbo.
You got it.
How did it get all the way down there?
I put it on that because he wasn't quite motivated enough. He couldn't see. No, don't eat it. You should have a reward for climbing those stairs, though. 7.5 months, little stinker. Oopsie. I like his whispers.
Oogie.
Oogie.
More knee, son. More knee.
Oh.
You're doing good. You're doing
concentration.
There.
Wouldn't you know you're just going to get up there just for us to take the table away from you. You can't eat it. Success for nothing.
Oh, baby! A good job! A good job! Yay! Thank you! Thanks for the paper, Auntie Rachel.
Yeah.
Look, Milk is doing it. Milk is showing you how.